Today we've got something exciting to unbox and review, the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. This is the latest addition to the Samsung's foldable smartphone lineup, and it's packed with some amazing new features. We're greeted with a sleek and stylish new design that features a 3.4-inch external screen called the Flex window, giving us more display real estate. This is probably the biggest change from the previous generation. This particular model comes in the mint green with 256 gigs of storage and 8 gig memory. Straight out of the box, you'll find your smartphone, a data cable, and the ejection tool. Taking a closer look at the design, the Z Flip 5 features a stunning foldable 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It's vibrant, colorful, and offers a truly immersive experience. The hinge feels solid and smooth, and it's even more durable than its predecessors. The internal screen measures 6.7 inch and it's a 120Hz foldable AMOLED screen with 1750 nits of peak brightness. This makes it a fun device for gamers and content creators alike. The Flex window screen is a Super AMOLED 3.4-inch display with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with a 60Hz refresh rate. You can now customize the Flex window with your favorite widgets, apps, and clock faces, making your Galaxy uniquely you. Moving on to the camera, the Z Flip 5 boasts a dual camera setup with a 12-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The camera quality is impressive, delivering sharp and vibrant photos in various lighting conditions, with special mention going out to nightography. You no longer have to worry about putting your camera on a tripod and being able to see what's in frame. The Flex window now makes life a little easier and brighter. Plus, you get a 10-megapixel selfie camera on the front for those stunning selfies. With the Flex Cam, you can use your best camera for the best selfie without worrying about framing issues. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring smooth performance and efficient multitasking. It's also 5G ready, so you'll have lightning-fast connectivity wherever you go. The Z Flip 5 features a 3300 mAh battery, which may not sound huge, but it's optimized for all-day use. Samsung's adaptive battery technology ensures that you get the most out of every charge, resulting in over 57 hours of listening for music lovers and 20 hours of watch time for video lovers. On the software side, it runs Samsung's One UI, which is known for its user-friendly interface and tons of customization options. It's powered by Android, so you have access to a vast library of apps through the Google Play Store. With its innovative foldable design, stunning display, impressive camera, and powerful performance, it's a phone that's truly pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology. If ever you needed a statement piece that's fun, edgy, and matches your character, this is the device for you.